or the land of the free and the home of the brave. Play ball!
Welcome to Cooking on the Road with Scotty B. Today's episode is called It's Gonna Be a Chilly Summer. As you can tell by the name, chili is going to be the star of the show. And so we're going to make a nice, simple chili, and it's going to be very tasty. And we're going to throw a few little extra toppings on there, and we'll see if it looks as delicious as it tastes. So get ready for a great episode. And here we go. Okay, our first step is to mix our dried ingredients. Now I'm going to take this onion and this bell pepper and cube it up and turn it into this. Ta-da! Ready to go into the chili. We're going to use our old friend, the pressure cooker, for this recipe. And we've got a 1 pound tube of ground beef that we're going to brown up. Now, this recipe is just for me, so I don't need a whole pound of ground beef for this. I usually portion my beef off before I leave the house, but in this instance we had the tube ground beef. I usually get the fresh. This is frozen, but we're going to use this, and then we're going to just use half a pound of it. So we'll separate it off for another recipe that I'm going to make later on. So we'll get that down in the pot so it can brown. Put your pressure cooker on sear or brown function. I'm going to add some salt and pepper to the ground beef for a little extra added flavor. And then once this is browned, we're going to drain off the fat into a plastic cup with a paper towel on the bottom of it so it doesn't melt through the cup. Alright, we're midway through the browning process here. Looking pretty good. Another stir. Set for another couple of minutes, and then she should be ready to drain and add the other ingredients. Alright, we've taken out about half pound of the hamburger and put it in a separate Ziploc bag. We're going to use that for another recipe later. And now we're going to add our veggies, and then our tomato sauce, our diced tomatoes, and our pinto beans, and then the all-important seasoning. Okay, veggies go in. Now we're going to add our pinto beans. Diced tomatoes. These are fire roasted, by the way. All right, there we go. Fire roasted diced tomatoes from Aldi's. Little tomato sauce. And our seasonings. Let's put it this way. There you go. Give that a little stir. so I can mix up a little. And we're going to give that 7 minutes under high pressure. While our chili is cooking, I want to take time and say thank you for subscribing and telling all your friends about our channel. It really helps us in getting the word out and tell people, be it truckers, RVers, whoever, that you can still travel and eat good and not spend a fortune doing it. So thank you again. Well, the cooking cycle is done, so we're going to release the steam, and then we can release the Kraken for the chili. Alright, lid comes off. Look at that beautiful bubbling goodness. Oh my gosh, let's stir this up a little bit. It's a chilly summer. Okay, we're going to put some cheese on it. Sharp cheddar, or Mexican style cheddar to be exact. There we go. Then we're going to put some sour cream. Beautiful. And a few oyster crackers. Okay, let's give her a taste. Excellent recipe. Excellent. Fire roasted tomatoes, orange bell pepper, onions. It's all coming together. Sour cream and the cheddar, top it off, give it a cool topping to it. So it's very, very good. I'd highly recommend this recipe. Please like and subscribe to the video. If you enjoy what you see, tell your friends. Let them know that we're out here. Also, we'll be having more recipes here coming down the road very shortly. So thanks for watching again. Hope you enjoyed. Take care and see you next time. Mm-hmm.